Welcome to another house tour with Felista of First Properties. Today we're touring a 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex with a BQ right in the serene environment right here in Ajah Lekki, Lagos. Now, this unit is actually sold out, so this is the only unit left, and it's a thing of first come, first serve. Yes, you heard me right, fastest finger. It has a parking space of 2 cars, and it is coming with a good title of a CFO and a business approval. Now, in a moment, I'm going to be flipping the camera shortly to walk you through it to give you the details you need to know about this home. Now, if you're coming across the channel for the very first time, please take a second to subscribe, like, share, leave a comment, tell me what you think about this home now. Welcome to your new home. Hello, welcome once again to this 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex. Now, it's in a well-serene environment along the Ajah axis. Now, stepping into it, we have a gate that you can slide to one side, and yes, we have life plants here on this axis. And we have 2 units, but we're sold on this one, so you're just left with this particular one. So it's a thing of first come, first serve, fastest finger. Okay, so let's go into it. Now, stepping into it, we have a parking space of 2 cars conveniently. All right, and this is how beautiful the home looks from this axis. All right, going through the surrounding. Yeah, going through the surrounding, we have a walkway that can conveniently take 2 people as to go. Okay, and right on the side we have a BQ2. Okay, the BQ is locked. All right, but we're still touring the surrounding. All right, now we have the door right here that grants you access to the kitchen from this axis. Okay, so let's go back to the front of this building. Let's see what it looks like one more time. And also, so you have an idea of what you are keen into. We'll be stepping into this beautiful home right now, but I want us to take the parking space from this angle. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, now welcome home. Stepping into this home, you have this door right here. You're going to access to your living room. A close look at it. This is how sizable the living room is. Yeah, it's quite sizable. A lot of ventilation, a lot of windows. There's presently no light in this property, and you can actually see the beauty of this home. POP ceiling, we have inbuilt speaker up right there too. Now just behind the door we have the viscous toilet. That's what it looks like. Now it is coming with the toilet and the sink put in place. Okay, all right. Now I want us to take the living room from this angle. Now you can decorate your space here whichever way you want, right? And taking it from this angle, this is what it looks like. All right, very amazing. Now let's go towards this angle too. Let's see what it looks like. Very beautiful. Now we have a room downstairs. Stepping into the room, we have a sizable room that can fit into a 6x6 bed too. Now I love the fact that all the rooms are sizable. Now coming in through it, we have the wardrobe just by the side. All right, POP ceiling, natural light. I love the size of the window too. Now the rooms are actually coming in suite. Stepping inside, we have the bathroom that comes with the toilet, sink, shower cubicle with the rain shower right in it. All right, we're done here. Let's head upstairs. Or rather, let's see the kitchen. Okay, going into the kitchen, we have a kitchen island right here. Okay, we have a lot of cupboard for your storage. We have a sink right on the space. We have a 5-burner set right on the side. Heat extractor too. We have a space for oven and your microwave right on this side too. We have a mini kitchenette also on this angle. All right, now this kitchen is beautiful. Yeah, I told you we have access to the kitchen from the outside. Now take a look at this beauty one more time. POP ceiling, sizable kitchen. All right, so we're done with the kitchen. Let's head upstairs to see more features this home is coming with. All right, going to the staircase, we have a sizable staircase that can fit into two people at a go. Coming with a glass handle too. Okay, now leads you to where we have the sizable family lounge. Now, but to give it a bed size, you can fit a 5x6 bed conveniently. Natural light, taking it from this angle, this is what it looks like. Okay, now POP ceiling. Now we have three rooms here. We have two here, and then we'll have the master's bedroom on the side. So coming to the staircase, let's see room number 2. Welcome. And coming through it, you have the wardrobe first. And then you have a sizable room. Now you can fit a 6x6 bed conveniently. That's how sizable it is. Okay. POP ceiling. Natural light, just a window here, and you can see how bright there is. Now it is coming and shoot to, we have right here the toilet. Yeah, the sink. Shower cubicle with the rain shower right in it. Okay. Next, we have room number 3 showing me. Let's check it out. Okay. Welcome. Now sizable to fit into a 6x6 bed conveniently. Okay. Natural light. We have the AC wire installed up there. POP ceiling. Just behind the door, we have the wardrobe. And the rooms are coming in suite. Step inside with me. We have right here a toilet, sink, shower cubicle with the rain shower right in it. This is amazing. And finally, we have the master's bedroom. Step in with me. Welcome. Now, this can fit into a 6x6 bed and a 4x6 bed conveniently. That's how sizable it is. We have a lot of ventilation here. Now, a close look at the window. We have 3 on this axis. Inbuilt speaker, POP ceiling, AC wire installed too. I'm taking it from this angle. This is what it looks like from this angle. And then we'll have a walk-in closet right here. Okay, walk-in closet. And then we'll have the bathroom. Now it's coming with the bathroom. It's coming with the sink. We have the shower right here. We have the toilet too. And we'll have a shower cubicle with the rain shower right in it. All right, now this is beautiful. And this is one of the affordable homes you're going to be seeing on the Lekki Ajah Aziz, just by Abraham Adesoya. Okay, now it's in the market for 145 million naira, and that is net. Okay. Okay. Also, like I said initially, it has a C of O title, Vision Approval, shows you're buying a very safe property. Now, coming outside, we have a passageway. You can come out for fresh air and still check out your surrounding. And this is what your surrounding looks like. Okay, we have houses around the space. Okay, so if you need more information on this property, you want to come see this for yourself, call the number showing on the screen. Like I said initially, the thing of first come, first serve. Yes, fastest fingers. Okay, thank you, and I hope to see you in my next video. Drop your comment, tell me what you think about this, and bye for now.